Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Scott's Honest Reviews, and today we are reviewing a two-piece 108 LED solar light. So it's a landscape light, or you can use it whatever you want. If you got a flag outside, garden, walkway, whatever you can think of, you can use these for. So let's go ahead and unbox everything and show you what you get. There will be a link in my video description if you are interested in purchasing this product. So it's very standard setup. You get all your stakes. Now the stakes are plastic, but that shouldn't be a problem. Just be careful when you're pulling them in and out. So here's, wow, I can already tell you that it's going to be extremely bright, so wherever you put it, because look at all the LEDs. So I'm pretty excited. Let's go ahead. You get two of them. Again, there will be a link in my video description where you can find them. So I'm just going to demonstrate for you how they install. So first of all, you have your post right here. You're going to probably go ahead and slide that in. Yes, you're going to slide it in just like this. Now this one did come cracked, so that is a little disappointing, but that's nothing duct tape can't fix. But that one came cracked. This one looks like it's fine. Okay, so because this one's cracked, it's not as tight, but that was probably just shipping in air, so I'm not too worried about it. So we'll put that one on, and we'll just duct tape it to make it tighter. So yeah, we'll duct tape that one. Then you're going to go ahead and you're going to have this piece right here. So this piece is going to slide directly over top of that, right there. Like that. I'm not sure why I was holding this piece up, because once it's mounted on like that, you just simply slide this in between. So, and then we take this pin, feed it through, like so. Now it's going to be mounted on, and then you can rotate it and you can set it up however you want. It'll move around left and right. So the power on and off button is underneath here. So you press that to power it on. Press it to power it off. So let's go ahead and block that. So that's actually, okay, so that's different. To power it on, and also brightness. So you got 1, 2, 3. I mean, that's extremely bright. And then you also have the button to power it off. So you got a couple options and different modes with it. Obviously, you can find all of this information and more on the actual directions, but it's very simple. It's a nice setup, easy to figure out, easy to completely set up. So here we have one facing our garage, and here we have another one facing our vehicle. So we go ahead and set that right there. So look how far you can actually see these lights. So this is from inside our home. You can see the light the whole way across and how bright it is. I wanted to give this a distance demonstration to show you how well it lights up an area, and of course it lights it up even more when you go out there in person. Overall, very happy with the lights. They work good. They're extremely bright, and they'll get the job whatever it is. If it's for a flagpole or your garden or a walkway or for security or whatever else you need it for, I think it'll get the job done. Links to purchase this product is in my video description. Thanks for watching.